This video will give examples with multiplying probabilities. The Weasleys really want a daughter. What is the probability that they have 6 boys before they get a daughter? This is the probability that they get a boy, followed by a boy, followed by a boy, another 3 boys, and finally a girl. The probability that they get a boy the first time is 1/2. Now, all of these events are independent because whether or not you get a boy as your first child has no effect on the gender of your next child, so we're just going to multiply. The probability that they get a boy the second time is, again, 1/2. So we're going to say 1/2 for all 6 of the boys, and then the probability that they get a girl as their 7th child is also 1/2. So that is 1/2 to the power of 7, which is about 0.0078. Each baby vampire gets a random superpower. It's either mind reading, seeing the future, or super strength. Edward and Bella have 2 vampire babies. What is the probability that both babies get psychic powers? These are independent events because what superpower the first baby gets has no effect on what superpower the next baby gets. So we can just multiply the probabilities. Probability that first is psychic and second is psychic is equal to the probability that the first is psychic, which is 1/3, and the probability that the second is psychic, which is 1/3. So the probability that both are psychic is 1/9. Clifford the dog has 10 white socks, 5 red socks, and 7 blue socks in my drawer. If he randomly grabs 4 socks, what is the probability that he first draws 2 red socks and then 2 white socks? This is dependent because what color sock he draws on the first time affects what color socks he can get on the next draw. Okay, so the probability that he gets red, red, white, white is equal to the number of red socks, 5 over the total number of socks, 22, times, now there are only 4 red socks left, and 21 total. The number of white socks remains 10, but there are only 20 total socks left. And now there are only 9 white socks and 19 left in the drawer. So this ends up being about 0.01025.